So hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Keen over at AskaJeeper, and today what we're going to be doing is working on our WJ, and we'll be teaching you how to replace your coolant temperature sensor. So we'll go ahead and get started on that, but I want to show you guys a cool little trick that you can know what code you're, depending on what year of Chrysler you have or Dodge or Jeep. This trick will work. I don't know what years they span, but it might be able to work. Mine's a 2000, so anywhere around that range. Like I said, so I'll show you real quick. What you do is you want to put your key in the ignition, and you're going to want to turn it 3 times. Boom, 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 boom. And then it's going to give you a code. I'll show you. 1, 2, 1, 2. PO118. See that?
Waiting for pairing.
So basically, I'll show you the movement. Boom, boom, boom. So that way, you'll know what code you need to check, and you can just look it up online real quick, and then you won't have to go to the auto parts store or whatever. I guess it'll save you some money in gas, or you can go to the auto parts store as well and get it checked, your AutoZone or whatever, and get that checked. But we're gonna go ahead and replace this. So the sensor is right there. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Come on, focus. So the sensor is right. That's the sensor. So what you'll need, I believe it looks like a 1/2 inch, but let me fiddle around with it and see what we can get. You want your car to be cool as well. All right, perfect. So I'll show you kind of what I did. I had to get a socket. Let me look at what size this is. 3/4 inch socket, and then just had to take a pretty simple. You just unscrew it basically, and then there it is. Boom. As you can see, mine's really rusted. And then boom. As you can see, here's the new one, brand spanking new. What's kind of funny about this is that it's already kind of corroding and starting to pop off the top. So that's fun. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and replace this. And basically what you wanna do when you tighten it, you don't wanna tighten it above where the tape is, right there. So we're just gonna go ahead and screw this back in. Boom. Go ahead and put that back in there. Pretty easy. Plug it back in, then you're good to go.